shall be solving sum number 6 of exercise 10.4. What is given? A circular park. So you have a circular park of radius 20 meters. So this is the center. 3 boys, Ankur, Sayyad and David. So you have Ankur over here, you have Sayyad over here, and you have David over here, are sitting at equal distance on the boundary. So this distance is equal. So this is AS, this is AD, and this is SD. Having a toy telephone in his hand to talk to each other, find the length of the string in each phone. This means you have to find AS, SD and AD. They are equal distance, so definitely this and this is equal. So can I say given AS is equal to SD is equal to AD, and I will take it as 2x. So all three are equal. This is 2x, this is 2x, and this is 2x. Okay, what I have to find, basically I have to find the value of 2x, right? So now how I start the sum? Again I will be using the same property which we have used in the last sum. I will join first. Let us join SD. Let this center be O. So I have joined this and I have connected this. Okay, now consider triangle OSD. This is my O, this is my S, and this is my D. Can I say OS and OD are equal? Radius of the same circle, and that nothing but 20, right? So this is also 20 and this is also 20. So therefore can I say O lies on perpendicular bisector. Suppose I extend this and I bring it up till this point M. I am extending AO up till point M. So I'll have one construction: extend AO to point M. Okay, extend AO to point M. Now O lies on the perpendicular bisector of SD. Also in triangle ASD. Can I say in triangle ASD? This is your A, this is my S, this is my D, this and this is equal 2x each. So therefore AS is equal to SD. So A lies on perpendicular bisector of SD. Now A is on the perpendicular bisector, O is also on the perpendicular bisector. Therefore AO is the perpendicular bisector of SD, or I can say AM is the perpendicular bisector of SD. So therefore I can say angle OMS is equal to 90 degree and SM is equal to MD is equal to half into 2x. So you get cancel this. So this property I will write it as equation 1. Note down this much. So this first part is same. You just have to prove that this is a perpendicular bisector. If this is a perpendicular bisector, then if I extend it, that whole line is a perpendicular bisector. Got it? Now in the next part we are going to use a special property of a triangle. Okay, so we know triangle ASD is an equilateral triangle and O is the center of its circumcircle. of its circumcircle. So O is the center of the circumcircle of triangle ASD. बरोबर है? O is the center of its circumcircle. So therefore O is the circumcenter of triangle ABC. Okay, so now let OM is equal to A. This is A, and AO is equal to 20. Okay, so there is a property of circumcenter, or we can say centroid. What is the property? This circumcenter, it divides the height in the ratio 2:1. Circumcenter divides the height in the ratio 2:1. So this is A, O, and this is M. This is A, and this is 20, and this is. So we know O divides AM in the ratio this part from the vertex, it will be 2:1. So therefore AO upon OM is equal to 2/1. So therefore what is AO? AO is nothing but 20 upon OM. OM is how much? It is nothing but A, is equal to 2/1. Therefore when I cross multiply, A is equal to 20/2, which is equal to 10 meter. So what is the value of A? It is 10 meter. Just note it down. Okay. Now consider triangle OMS. O, M and S. How much is this distance? A. How much is this distance? H. See, this is a perpendicular bisector. This is 2x. So this is x and this is x, right? And how much is this distance? 20. So in right angle triangle OMS, can I say OS square is equal to OM square plus x square? But what is OS? OS is nothing but 20 square. What is OM? I just found out. OM was 10. So 10 square plus x square. So therefore x square is equal to 20 square minus 10. So x square is equal to 400 minus 100. X square is equal to 300. Therefore x is equal to square root of 300. X is equal to square root of 3 into square root of 100, which is equal to 10 root 3 meter. Now what is length of the wire? Length is equal to, basically it is your 2x, right? So it is 2x. So this is 2 into 10 root 3 meter, which is equal to 20 root 3 meter. Okay, note it down. Thank you.